Yo. Been a little while since I did a stream. Oh, and this is a little loud. There we go. Okay. Yep, so I'm going to do some... I've been doing some script fixes from the new merge, just based on, like, issues that we saw in the merge stream. Hey, Sengo. So I'm gonna work on a scene with some goblins. Because I want to refine the scene a little more. So what I need is... maybe a chip. Or, no, it's giving the artifacts to her. That's the Goblin Sword, that's Shaba's quest. This is the other one, so I guess it's counted as an Abetian Isles quest. Okay, there it is. So I was the person who originally implemented this, but I forgot how I did it. So I did it all in the quest fragment script, which is fine. And this is counted as a scene. With this in a middle phase for some reason. I mean, honestly, actually what I could do as part of this is spread this out a little bit. You don't like my numpad? Wait for like... seconds, wait for another second after. I'm so used to using my numpad, and the creation kit does not like it. And I've got cats. Cat here, there's a cat here. So many cats. So that's helpful. I think what I'm probably going to want to do is create... yeah. I'm going to want to create a new actor to add, like, goblin ghosts. That's one of the things that I wanted to do here. So actually, let's load up BHF on C's breath. This is my Hema actor, yeah. Actually, while I'm in here, I could give him a more proper outfit now that we actually have crown clothing. VHF. Common outfit any. I guess it doesn't really matter, because he'll have the ghost shader, default ghost script, yeah. Should have sandals, my dude. Sense of reincarnation has been confirmed. Interesting. I hadn't heard that, but neat. Let me check on the actual YouTube chat. Make an appearance? Would who make an appearance? Drath the Assassin. Drath? I know there was an assassin in Redguard. There was a Dunmer assassin, and I forget what his name was. Was it Drath? Dram. So you might be thinking of Dram, this guy. I don't know, maybe. If a writer comes up with a neat concept for it, it's not something that I've really thought of as a story that I wanted to tell. He's kind of a neat character. He's a bit of it strikes me doing stuff with him is a bit like doing stuff with Boba Fett. He doesn't really do a whole lot in the course of the story that he's actually featured in. He's just kind of a, like, scowling, silent side character, so giving him a little depth it could go really well, it could go not so well. I might just want to add sandals to all of these common outfits while we're at it. This is just a general fixes plugin anyway, so. Yeah. You have sandals. No sandals. Sandals. People should have sandals. We have the technology, people. Item, armor. Clothing, crown sandals. Maybe eventually I'll want to make a leveled item list for footwear, but eh. I don't know if these outfits would look good with like the pirate style boots that we have some of. This is already better. What else? Another thing I would actually like to do is move this memory gem item. At the moment, the way that I had done this before, you don't really get to see the scene. I do want to position it a little bit more over here, so that the player actually gets the chance to, you know, pick it up and it be more in your cone of vision. Roy, piss off. You wanted to come inside, then you wanted to go outside. You get 2. You don't get a 3rd. You've already been in here and you decided you didn't want to be in here. That's enough. Stay out there. Then the next thing I'll have to do is make an actor. Emo. Goblin ghost. Jeff. Alright, no, it's gonna be VHF encounter. Goblin. Oh yeah, we just got new goats in, which are cool. Goats that are specific to the Isles, so we're not using the you know, generic, not generic, but the vanilla goats. They're more kind of Nordic looking. Cell, ghoul, elephant. Goblin. I guess I could do leveled. No, there's no reason to do leveled. Yeah, the goats look really cool. There's no really reason to do leveled. I'll probably just do like an... Yeah. Yeah, a 1 template melee. This ghost invulnerable, doesn't bleed. Oh, right. There you go. Use base data. Do not use AI packages, because I'll give you a new thing there. Don't use factions, don't use scripts, use stats, use traits. Sure, spell list, I guess. I don't think it matters either way. Sure, extra damage. You're not going to be doing any damage. They're literally just going to be standing around doing some idle animations while this scene happens, and then they will disappear. That is it. That is all. Okay. Which I think at this point I have accomplished. Factions, don't need it. Unaggressive, cool. AI packages. I don't know if I'll give them a package. I might not need to give them a package if I just tie them into some idle markers that are around for, I guess. Is there like a celebratory animation for the Fulmer skeleton? I don't know. Check. All of this is tied to... No, that's the voice marker. I think I just did this individually in script, which is a little annoying. Might want to just create an X marker and tie everything into the X marker, so it's just one. Big activating? Camera effect attach. Okay, yeah. Here, my start quest activator. Oh. Alright. Just put one here. Hi, how you doing? Feeling good? Find an idle marker. Squatting looped marker, wall pod. The BSK. BSK Fulmer squatting. Is that just going to make them, like, teabag? Like, squat up and down? I like that it's not used anywhere. Fulmer patrol marker, DLC Fulmer squat idle marker. I guess I could use that. Is that all you got? Yep, okay. I kind of don't want him to squat like a... Okay, what kind of animations do aggro warning? I think that's more of like what I want anyway. I could just see if I could set your aggro level in script. I mean, I'll just enable him for now and see what he does. Go back into VHF. Nope, nope. It's Nabetian Isles. Info 2. Sure, I guess I'll make it. Yeah, because if I make a specific reference, I know that'll make him persistent. So it's better to find it in loaded area. Find matching reference. Goblin Ghost. Goblin Ghost 1. Allow disabled. Enable the Goblin Ghost. Disabling the Goblin Ghost. Here, I need my scripts merge. UF, LDHF, Location. Let's have that for 2. Should probably do at some point. Just create like a general script to use for memory gems. That will do a lot of this stuff by itself. Create a certain reference alias. Considering doing that now. Might screw things up though. I'm gonna test this as is, but I'm considering doing that because it will make things easier in the future. Also, log entry for BOA. Small. fine. Alright, anything else that I wanted to do? Kinda wanted to do the gremlin script for getting the summon gremlin familiar spell. Do have other things to do as well. The rest of Center of Circles, because it's playable now, beginning to end, but you know, not every part of it, unfortunately. Yeah, well, I'm gonna tie this up and we'll test it out. We'll see what it looks like. These two and ring barrier script. Oh, right. Yeah, I should test that out as well. Alright. Ino Hirna FFO1. These were some pretty simple edits that I did, but we can test them out as well. And install the thing, get testing. Oh yeah, I gotta get a new chair. This thing is slowly sinking all the time. Okay. on, Vortex. Oh my goodness. This is like 3 scripts. It's fine. Thank you. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, dang it. I should have messed with the fast travel script as well. Okay. Well, that'll be a thing that I'll go back in and do. Because I know for Ino Hirna, the fairy script, it puts you in the wrong place. So I've got to redo that. Yes, Windows. Skyrim, it's doing its thing. It's fine. Love how janky my Skyrim is. Just suffered so much abuse. There we go. Yeah, so I want the fast travel script actually to bring you here to this center on cell marker, and I don't know what I was on that day, but I set it to use the map marker, which is like way over here in the center of the village, so it spawns you like here. And it's weird. So, test number 1, the Ashenka quest. I'm pretty sure that's the one that did it. I gotta make sure that it doesn't have a debug message that flashes up that says, what is it, global variable increased. Because it was just a testing thing that someone left in their script. Shinka. We should probably increase that to a little bit more, but you can really get millet everywhere. Beautiful. Okay. That is that. Ring barrier. So actually I need to set IBHF Ino Hirna MS01 start global to 3. Find wherever Ruatamer has gone. Atomer, which I recently went through all of the pronunciation stuff with someone, and we decided that was the most consistent way to pronounce her name, instead of Rutamor, which is what we were previously saying internally. But that kind of happens a lot. People still call it Cora, and it should be Chora. No, this is custom music, and I was playing custom music before, but once I loaded up in here, this is all the custom Iliac Bay music. Yes, tarnished ring. Okay, and what I needed to do here for this testing is... I mean, actually, the best way to do it is going to be just, COC, AA, IB, warehouse prefabs. So I should be able to wear this ring, because this is a new mechanic that we were thinking of. Because you sort of get two versions of this ring. And now if you're not in the original dungeon, and you have this ring, it's not supposed to work. Interesting. It's supposed to not work and throw you up a different debug message up top. So interesting. I don't know why this ring is just floating here. Oh, the... Okie doke. So, COC, IBHF, Ino Hirna, Temple 01. Actually, just should have tested this on the first one. I didn't. I forgot. Because I also needed to test the debug message for if you don't have any of the rings on. But I am pretty sure... Oh. Didn't really mean to come all this way. Backwards lighting. To get to a thing. Because this did not put me in... This did not put me at the beginning of the dungeon, so... Now I am in a different spot than I intended. Yeah, that's that. So actually, if I go up here... Yes, good. Okay. Wonderful. Fantastic. Void. Alright. So if I have none of them on... TCL. The actual fuck? Bracket, open bracket message. That is not what I had in the script, or what that message was, or anything related to anything. Okay. So that's different. So, what I should do... Actually, dang it, I should have gone into Onsi's Breath and done that one. So that's the other part, okay. BHF Chura. Okay. So ring barrier script still needs another pass, and I have a feeling I know what that problem is. I think it's that I have my if statements in the wrong order, basically. Or actually, I think I can compact my if statement from what I have it. Because I think what it's doing is it's triggering the first part of the if statement without the, like, second part clarifying it. Like, it's getting to the activation phase before um, the part where I'm basically telling it, except in this instance. And actually, yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, I have a perfect way to just do that instead, do a different thing instead, compact the if statement, and actually make that cleaner. Oh, I don't know if I showed on stream that I... Oh no, I think I did. I think I did it on stream where I got the gremlin script working. So now this boy follows you around and will actually steal the gold every once in a while. Or you should. There you go. Knew it. Good. Do not embarrass me. So I probably need TGM just because the Durzog in here is a little tangy. Oh, here, the audio is a little low. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. I'm giving you a little more game audio. Control. Control back to game. Thank you. Oh. I forgot to set him to initially disabled. Awesome. Great. Hey man, what's up? How you doing? You having a good time? I mean, thanks for that. It's like helpful. But, hey, Scratch. Hello? Interesting. It didn't really do any of the things that I wanted to do, but okay. Right, I've also been told by people that I should go in and futz with these leveled lists, because we are getting very full chests, and kinda don't need that. You're invulnerable, I think. Yeah. Alright. Hell yeah. I should play Tamriel Rebuilt on stream. That'd be sweet. I have like OpenMW all set up on my Steam Deck, but not on this computer. I should though. It's not hard. Back to the other music. Actually, I have sea shanties.
Mark well what I do say. In Amsterdam there lives
Much
a
better.
maid, and she was mistress of her trade. I'll go no more
Okay, so number one, you should be initially disabled. Thank you.
I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. I asked this
That
maid
was silly.
to take a walk. Mark well what I do say. I asked this maid
Is
out
the
for a
3K
walk, that we
OST the
might
full
have some
OST or
private talk.
IB?
I'll go no more a-roving with you,
We're
fair
probably gonna get
maid.
more.
A-roving, since roving be my
Less.
ruin. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid.
Like, we're probably gonna get more, and we're also probably not going to use everything that's in that OST, because some of it is a little bit like too. It's too in your face for um explore tracks, but not in your face enough for a combat track. Um, and I'm hoping in the future to have a little bit more planning in the music department, because the like combat tracks were not made with stingers in mind, because you need like the ending stingers whenever a combat ends, it'll end the music track with a canned stinger at the end. Um, like which you can notice in Skyrim if you're thinking about it, that it'll start the track and just have a couple of drums at the end, like to take you out of the combat. But our original tracks weren't really made with those in mind, so it's been a little frustrating implementing them that way. Um, and also, I think at the time that the 3K soundtrack uh, was released, like the music department wanted to do unique tracks for each city, but which sounds good in like first concepts, but if you think about it, if you have one track for every city, that is the only track that is playing in that city, morning and night, oh boy, that's gonna get old. And yeah, so we've repurposed a lot of those tracks. Like the ones that are labeled like Stros Mackay or Sentinel or whatever. Um, but I don't think we'll be able to repurpose all of them exactly. We'll have to see. The current explore tracks that we have in game are really nice. I think we have a good selection. Even the combat tracks are pretty good when they work, because sometimes Skyrim just decides to play its own Yeah, yeah, exactly. Like, Morrowind already only has like 3 combat tracks, and it gets old pretty quick.
For want of more. Leave her, Johnny, leave her.
Cool. Alright, you're initially disabled.
So we'll
What else did I
go on
want to
shore,
do?
and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long
What
and
did I
the
do for
winds
IBOA?
don't
Oh,
blow,
right.
and it's time
The
for us
initial
to leave her.
quest log. That's fine. I'm not too worried about that.
Whiskey is the life of man. Whiskey, Johnny. Oh, whiskey is
Even with all the Muse
life
expansion
of man.
mods.
Whiskey for the Johnny, oh.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll drink
I could see that.
whiskey
Yeah.
when I can. Whiskey,
Because it's
Johnny.
the implementation of music in Morrowind is just very simple. Like, with each iteration of the creation kit, they, added bits and pieces, and music in Morrowind was just not prioritized yet. It was just like, yep, you have explore track, when combat track begin, done. No fading, no crossfade, nothing. Just set your explore track, set your combat track, as far as I know. Um, and is it really like all that much better in Skyrim? It's okay. You at least get stingers. You get some amount of crossfade ability. It's not used very often, but you have the ability. Right, so where in this scene did I put it at the end? Right, which I don't love. Having it like this. I think I kind of want to move it into a...
Good morning, ladies all. Them gals down south are free and gay with a heave-ho-ho. With them we'll spend our hard-earned pay. Good morning, ladies all.
What I could do...
We'll have good fun with a heave-ho-ho. And soon we'll be back on the homeward run. Good morning, ladies all. And when we get to Bristol town with a heave-ho-ho, for the very last time we'll waltz around. Good morning, ladies all.
So if I do it... Okay, I think I know what I want to do. So I'll bring the beginning this quest stage onto the scene fragment script. And then this will stay here, and I'll just add a 1-second timer into 120 stage, so it'll just end up lining up the way that I want it to. Take this, recompile this. I'm actually gonna have to add this into... Like that.
Jolly sou'wester, boy, steady she goes. Up jumps the ale with a slippery tail, climbs up aloft and reefs the topsail, and it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boy, steady she goes. And then up jumps the shark with his 9 rows of teeth, saying, "You eat the dough, boys, and I'll eat the beef." And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boy, steady she goes. Up jumps the whale, the largest of all. If you want any wind, well, I'll blow ye is a squall and it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together,
good. Okay,
boys.
good.
Blow ye winds westerly,
We're
blow
happy.
ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she goes. A poor old man came
Okay.
riding by, and we say so,
So.
and we know so. Oh, a poor old man came riding
110.
by. Oh, poor old man. Says I, old man, your horse will die, and we say so, and we know so. And if he
Okay.
dies, we'll tan his hide. Oh, poor old man. And if he don't, I'll ride him again. And we say so, and we know so. And I'll ride him until the Lord knows when. Oh, poor old man. He's dead as a nail in the lamp room door. And we say so, and we know
Okay.
so. And he won't come worrying us no more. Oh, poor old man.
So it must be
We'll
the
use
script
hair of
that's
his tail
on
to sew
my
our sails. And
gem
we
that
say
starts
so,
the
and we
scene.
know so. And the iron of his shoes to make deck nails. Oh,
So the
poor
start of
old
the scene
man.
starts,
Drop him down with a long, long roll, and we say so,
enables
and we know
these.
so, where the sharks will have his body and the devil take his soul. Oh, poor old man.
You need it as actor reference?
Running down to Cuba with a load
No.
of sugar.
Okay.
Wavy boys to Cuba.
Wonder if
Make
that's
our
part of
rum
why that has
real
been
loud to squeeze.
inconsistent.
Running
So
down
here,
to
let's just do
Cuba.
the
Wavy boys to Cuba.
regular reference.
Down to Cuba. Oh, I got a sister, she's 9 feet tall. Wavy boys to Cuba. She sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hall. Running down to Cuba.
Put the 1 second wait there.
Boys to Cuba.
Um,
Running down to Cuba.
do that.
Captain,
Remove
he will
the
trim the
image
sails.
space. I actually could move that down. It should all basically happen as far as we're concerned at the same time, but
Down to Cuba. Wavy boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba. Give me a gal
crossfade
can dance fandango.
2.
Wavy boys to Cuba. Round as a melon and sweet as a mango. Running down to Cuba. Wavy boys to Cuba.
Running down to Cuba.
Load the sugar and homeward go. Wavy boys to Cuba. Mr. Mate, he told me so. Running down to
Sure,
Cuba.
yeah.
Hey, wavy boys
If you haven't failed it somehow.
running down to Cuba.
Wait, I know you.
Hey, thank you for the follow. Do I have my, what is it? Twitch alerts? Yeah, they should be on.
She takes the trooper by the hand and leads him to her chamber. She's given him some wine to drink, and his love had flared like tinder.
Yeah, alright. Man, Twitch is full of those folks.
They had not been in it an hour, but scarce a quarter, when the drums came sounding up the street, and then the beat was shorter. For it's up, 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 our colonel cried. It's up, 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 and away then, and it's up, 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 our
Anyway.
colonel cried. The morn's our battle day, then come
So that's that. I need ring script.
It's when will you come back again, my own dear soldier laddie? When will you come back
Okay.
again and be your bairnie's daddy? Oh, hold your tongue, my bonny wee lass, never let this parting grieve thee. When
Okay,
heaven
ring
calls
barrier
for us
script,
both,
yes.
bonny lassie, how come see?
So,
Bonny lassie, will you gang with me? Bonny lass, will ye lie near me? I'll get all your ribbons straight in the morning ere I leave. Bonny lassie, will you gang with me? Bonny lass, will ye lie near me?
if AK activator is player ref, if getting is actually want is both of these come after this. So Vorsring, blah, Vorsring, blah, blah. If playref is Vorsring or that and learn current location is Ino Hirna location. Okay, yeah, there's a space there. And that does this, else yeah, I could just do it like this. Just kind of restate this. Give me the text. Location. That is not that location, then do this, else do that. Now why are these messages coming out as open brackets message and not the correct thing? Message 01, 02. Menu buttons. Both the title and this are something. What's the issue?
Where can I get a good sea captain to sail this ship of mine? Then up there spake a bonny boy sitting at the king's right knee. Sir Patrick Spence is the very best seaman that ever sailed the sea. The king has written a bread paper and seal with his own right hand, sending word to Sir Patrick Spence to come at his command. And in me then this must be, he told a lie about me, for I never was a good seaman, nor ever did intend to be. They had not sailed upon the sea a
There's
day but
that.
barely three, when loud and boisterous grew the wind and stormy grew the sea. Then up there came a mermaid in a comb and glass in hand. Here's a health to you, my merry young men, for you'll not see dry land. Oh, lang, lang, may my lady look with a lantern in her hand.
Oh.
Before she sees my bonny ship sail homeward to dry land. Oh, 40 miles off Aberdeen, 'tis 50 fathom deep, and there lies good Sir Patrick Spence.
I think I was told by people that I actually should shift this because, for localization purposes, it's easier if the text is not in the script. So these like to work for the message boxes. What am I doing wrong for debug notifications with these? Let's see.
From France we do get brandy, from Jamaica comes rum, sweet oranges and apples from Portugal come, but stout and strong
See.
cider are England's control. Give
Uh-huh, okay.
To disturb me when I'm laid at my ease. He does as he likes and he says as he please. That man, he's a devil, is black as the coal.
Well,
Give me the punch.
I guess while I'm here and doing script fixes, probably should do that.
My father, he do lie,
The ring,
no stone at
there your message.
what matters to
So I just have to make sure to leave the title blank.
near England shall roll. Give me the punch ladle, I'll fathom the bowl. I'll fathom the bowl. I'll fathom the bowl. Give me the punch ladle, I'll fathom the bowl.
Jeff
Come all you seamen bold, and draw near,
Yoku.
all you seamen.
Thank you, Yoku. Teleport try.
It's all
Didn't I find this before very easily? And what am I... Sometimes when you're just doing stuff in the CK and you're like, I just did this. Why can't I find this thing that I just found? Okay, yes, Yoku teleporter message. Why was that so difficult?
what he set sail for to fight. Brave Ben, he set sail in a keen and pleasant gale, but his captains they turned tail in a fright,
Yeah, I'll just make Yoku teleporter message. Go to... Create new object. Then I'll take from the script all these. All I need are these two, so O2 and O3.
The surgeon dressed his wounds, Benbow cried, the surgeon dressed his
Offering to pray here.
Let the cradle now in haste on the quarter deck be placed, that the enemy I may face till I die, that the enemy I may face till I die,
Yeah, we're hoping to do some stuff, you know, to bring out some things. I don't want to spoil it, but wait for CMC. Wait for Creation ModCon. Got like some little bits and bobs that I've been working on. Not to say it's a whole province or anything, but you know, it's something. Yeah, man, Elder Scrolls fans have been eating good this year. Oblivion remake, Tamriel rebuild, Sky Oblivion's supposed to be coming. Lordbound's supposed to be coming. And like, quite a few Beyond Skyrim projects are getting pretty close. I know New North and Roscrea are like racing each other. Two. Damn. $60 hours is wild. That it here. Come on. Give me your quotation mark. Thank you. Okay. 02, 03, 02, 03. Anything else? Right, these are all my functions that I don't need to futz with. This was probably the most complicated script that I've made thus far still. Is this Yoku teleporter script. This thing is wild. I think that was it. Yoku teleporter script. Yoku ruin teleport script. Anything else that I need to do? I don't think so. I think this should be good to zip up again and try it out. Yeah, I haven't heard a single thing. But yeah, Apotheosis is a sweet project, and I really hope he's okay. Brain barrier script, all the rest of this I think is pretty good. I didn't even realize how dark it's got. You've just got like Wooloo silhouette. Dramatic Wooloo. Alright, let's zip this up. Barrier script.
Her cheeks were wet, her eyes did weep.
Okay, then I need TIF 060DD87D. Ruin teleport script. IBHF Fusion Isles FF02 G.
She made no sound, no word she said. Lowlands
Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at you, Gem Script. You might become something different soon. Alright, let's see. Cool, all of that is zipped up. Hey, Sanko, it's going pretty good. This is the first time that I've streamed in like a week, because last week was, I mean, I was doing a lot of prep for Creation ModCon, and it was just a heavy week for me, so I didn't end up streaming. But we're doing pretty good. Just doing some little quest fixes, script fixes.
Some sail upon her. Haul away your halyards. Haul away your halyards. It's our sailing time. Get her
Then after,
on her
there we go.
course now. Haul away your foresheets. Haul away your foresheets. It's our sailing time. Waves are surging.
Oh, in the next few days, I'm going to... no work for you, Zenko. Not really, that I know of. I mean, have you seen your banners being up in Ino Hirna? They look awesome. Like, yeah, I don't know of anything we can make, anything more we can make use of you with for right now. There definitely will be in, you know, when we move on to other areas, but right now it's just kind of deep in the implementation hole. It's that and voice acting. I gotta start file cutting soon.
It's our sailing time.
Oh, I haven't done treasure maps yet. Maybe we could do that. I could get you like pictures of the surrounding areas where I've put diggable treasures. You can just make some like rough. I would only need those in PNG. I would just need those to be in a PNG format because of how Skyrim does it. It's like JavaScript basically. That it would, but yeah. Yeah, I could do that. Nope. Everything's locked up. I can't even see chat. My whole computer's just like... Stop. Stop fucking. Stop fucking with me. There we go. Yeah, I could get you those. I could do that. It would be a good thing for me to go around and take pictures of those locations. Go. Okay, so is that IBHF? Ino Hirna. MES01 start global 2-3. Just to start up this quest. Hi, hello. Sorry to wake you up, but please come and force greet me. Dwemer rugs? No. The banners are in, but I don't... Do Dwemer have rugs? I don't know if they've ever been depicted as having rugs. Also, those might not have... Well... They might have survived. Do not know. Alright, so actually I can COC AIB with prefabs. Take a look at this, by the way. Saw blade. We gotta refine it a little bit. You made rugs? You made Dwemer rugs? Yeah, if those are in-game, then I do not know. I don't know that those are in-game. And why are you doing this? Alright, so you're doing the correct thing, but you're still not happy with your message stuff. Not happy about it. Does this mean then? Does this mean then that the messages for the Yoku Ruin teleporter will also be unhappy? None. A different incorrect thing. None. Why is this? I don't get it. Right, Onsi's breath. have to take a look when I get back into the CK, whether someone implemented those. And if not, I will do so. Hello? Okay. Never disabled this guy, though. Interesting. And I never saw my dude. Alright. Something is going real wonky about this scene. One more try on these messages. What is going wrong?
Other will hear them say, goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. Oh, here he comes, Johnny, with 40 months' pay. Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound. We'll meet these fly gals and we'll ring the old bell. Goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. And with them duties we'll raise Marielle. Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound. We're homeward bound to the gals of the town. Goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. And step me your bullies and even around. Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound. And when we get home, boys, oh, won't we fly round? Goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. We'll leave up the anchor to this buoy sound. Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound. We're homeward bound to the old backyard. Goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. Then heave me bullies, we're all bound homeward. Hurrah,
okay.
me boys, we're homeward bound. Now heave with the wheel, boys, oh heave long and strong. Goodbye, fairly well, goodbye, fairly well. And sing a good chorus for
Okay.
'tis a good song.
So I know what's going on now. Is I should use the show function instead of debug notification. Just in all of these instances. So that is my problem.
To England must go. Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
Oh, Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
It's down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys.
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
Down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
She's lovely on the foreyard, she's lovely down below, boys.
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
She's lovely 'cause she loves me, that's all I want to know, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Oh, Captain Baker, how do you store your cargo?
Roll, boys, roll,
Three.
boys, roll.
Some I stow forward and some I stow after.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
40 fathoms or more below, boys.
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
There's 40 fathoms or more below, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Cool.
Oh, way
Okay.
high, and up she rises.
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
Way high,
Down there
and the
now.
blocks is different sizes.
Way high, Miss Sally
I also need
Oh,
ringberry.
one more pull, don't you hear the maid a bawling?
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
One more pull, that's the end of our hauling.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Roll, boys, roll, boys, roll.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
All right, lads. Where am I to go, me Johnnies? Oh, where am I to go? Way, hey, hey.
I go and go.
Oh, where am I to go, me Johnnies? Oh, where am I to go? For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go? Oh, way up on that gallant yard, that's where you're bound to
A
go.
one.
Way, hey, hey.
I go and go.
Oh, way up on that gallant yard, that's where you're bound to go. For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go? Away up on that
Script.
gallant yard and take the gansel in. Way, hey, hey,
I go and go.
away up on that gallant yard and take the gansel in. For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go? You're bound away to Kingston town, that's where you're bound to go. Way, hey, hey, you're bound away
Play
to
dialogue.
Kingston town, that's where you're bound to go. For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go? Hup!
Get only quest as IB Ferry System script.
Here's a health to the king and a lasting peace, to faction and to wealth increase. Come, let us drink while we have breath, for there's no drink after death. And he that will this health deny, down among the dead.
There we go. COC marker hitting. That's better.
Down,
Down,
down, down, down among the dead men, let him lie. In smiling Bacchus's joy I roll, deny no pleasures to my soul. Let Bacchus's health around briskly move, for Bacchus is the friend of love, and he that would this health deny,
Okay. Get his ID. Honey? Yeah. Not Ricon.
Una niña se perdió, camino de Santa Maya. Una niña se perdió, y si la encontraba yo, Virgen de la Candelaria, ay qué feliz sería yo. Y si no te veo doble, pena me da si te veo. Y si no te veo doble, no tengo más alegría que cuando escucho tu nombre, se me alegra la pena mía. Y desde entonces se bailan los fandangos, y desde entonces se bailan los fandangos de Santo Olaya.
That's it. That's what I wanted. I moved to topic. That's the one. Else we got. Alright. This. all that. IV ferry system script. I do actually want to look at the DLC 1 ferry. Lots of small. I'm not entirely sure what's going wrong. DLC 1, ferry cost, small, gold. Huh. Don't know why that global has not been working for me. Very odd. AB1E. Okay, usually get gold greater than Hey, how are you? Cost should be 10, and that should be a constant, so I wonder if it is just this... I wonder if it is just the space that's causing issues. No, there's not a space here, so it shouldn't. Huh. Might be something weird going on. This version of Beyond? I'm working on Iliac Bay, so Hammerfell and High Rock. Let's see. I mean, figure this out. It's supposed to be a constant, so I don't know why it hasn't been filling. Maybe if there's anything the wiki can get across. It's all the stuff. That's all fine. Will not be saved with same game data. Okay, well that's fine. Does that mean that maybe the issue lies in... I need to like save and reload in order for those to fill? It seems weird for a global variable. I'm just wondering why that they're not filling when you actually go to do the ferries and stuff. It's very strange. Okay, well... I'll at least zip this up and look at this real quick. And then I'll probably head out for the night, because it's getting a little late. Yeah, you as well. I'm gonna do a little testing of what I just did before I head out. Good. Then I'll go have my ice cream that I like to have at night. I'd like to have a little ice cream with cannabis tincture. Helps me go to sleep. Teleport script. Ferry system script. Nope. Get out of there. You need to go in PDX. You need to go in PSC. Zero 700 AB1 E and F. all this up, bring it over to this computer. Do your thing. My goodness, Roy. It's just like banging at my door, this cat. I'm not gonna let you in. Because you're being a butt. If any of you have seen the board game streams that I do on Fridays with Silver Cannon, I'm gonna be helping out at the shop there the next couple of days. If you're in Baltimore, come around. It's a good game store. It's a good little shop. I'm going to assume if the Yoka Ruin teleporter works correctly, then pretty much everything I did with messages is working correctly. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to test out see what the ferry looks like, and then I should be good. This freaking cat. Oh, he made it through the door eventually. Wow. Do you understand how physics works now? No? Never. What? Yeah. I don't know either, buddy. Okay, well, that sucks. God. This is cacophony and chaos. This is chaos. This is chaos. Oh my goodness. The utter chaos. So much chaos. Why old goats? Something's going weird with my build. It still does the thing. Do you at least put me in the right spot now? I'll consider that a win. Just put me in the right spot. Right where the docks. Where the docks go. Show up on a dock. I'm calling it good. And I'll figure out the rest later. Grab a claw. Grab a claw on fire. Yeah! Hooray! Alright. That's enough of a win. Actually... Third stage, IBHF, Ino Hirna, MS01. No! Third stage, IBHF, Ino Hirna, MS01, 250. Boop. Hi. I'd like to hire your boat. Oh, dang it, because I didn't connect it to the other one. Okay, that's why. That's actually a simple fix. Yeah, it's also one of my... It pretty much is my favorite region. That's why I wanted to start working on Iliac Bay. Alright, well... I'll do that other quick fix, because I know exactly what needs to be done there. And I think, yeah, CK is still up. So, IBR 1... Eric. I know what I did wrong there. We go here. Link to Paratalk. There we go. So that should fix that part. The rest of the messages I'll have to come back to. That'll be an interesting thing. But I'm gonna head off for the night. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, get hyped for Creation ModCon, August 30th and 31st. I've been putting it together in the background, so the stream's pretty well set up. I'm just waiting for projects to get me their content now. So yeah. And we should have some pretty cool donation incentives for folks. Help raise money for